Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to showcase a variety of pixie haircuts and short hairstyle ideas. So first up, we see this beautiful golden pixie hair transformation. The stylist is doing a nice classic pixie with this one. Beautiful long bangs there going on the side, stunning pixie. We see another pixie haircut. And if you guys are feeling inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to give today's video a thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see a bob haircut transformation. Absolutely gorgeous. It comes to around shoulder length and a middle part. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.